Alright guys, here's the diff housing. Gonna see if I can try to get these diff bushings out today. Maybe order some new ones, put those in since we already have it out anyways. Get back to these bushings, see if I can get them out somehow. So it looks like I'm bending it out a little bit, bending out the little metal clip that is what holds the bushing in there hella tight. Looks like Mark just got home. Anyways, get back to this. Bending it out. Little metal clip. Hopefully I bent it out enough. Usually the way I've seen people do before, they grab like a torch thing, one of those over there, and they'll literally light it on fire to burn the bushing out of there. That might make a mess, so I'm just gonna try to do it this way, see if I can break that seal by bending this metal piece out. I'll still use the torch to heat it up, make the bushing more malleable so it's more squishy, more easier to slide out, and we'll see how that goes. So say okay. I was trying to get on the bushings earlier. Figured I would get one of these jaw pullers, get an even press that fits the circle, and you broke the metal seal, and now it's pushing it out. So slowly but surely. Coming out. Yep, there it goes.
1 second.
You can use the impact. There it is. Well, there's half of it. Where's the other half? Oh. Perfectly cleaned out. Other side. Just like that. All right. So what we use, can I see it? From our, we have a Harbor Freight caliper service tool. It has the perfect circumference, whatever diameter thing for the where the bushings are. Has another one you can put on top, so you can put something in the middle right there. Put that right there. There's the center of it. Center it right there. Right here, spray some PB Blaster on it. Whatever, WD-40, anything that'll help lube it up. You can put that right in the middle. Jaw puller. Alright, nope. Jaw puller on top. Okay. Okay, here we go. You got the little, I guess the jaws around the lip of the thing. You got it all centered. The disc is centered there in the thing, in the middle of the bushing. You can just start tightening it up with the impact. Yeah, you're off a little bit. Back it up a little bit, or you can just impact or any kind of wrench will work. Once you get it going in there, sitting in the groove. Might have to be careful on this one. Okay, this right here, we got the just a regular old box wrench, whatever, 17 for at least for our jaw puller. You can start tightening it down. Use a hammer to tap it also. It'll help break the seal loose. Let's see if you can see it going down. Break that metal seal. first go around the diff. Break that little metal seal right there that is what really holds that bushing in there tight. So basically bending it out all the way around. Really hard, but this one's a lot easier.
Just scoot over here your way.
It'll seat itself in there once you keep going.
Try it again. Try it again.
Like the end of it.
Try it again.
Now you're back in the spot that's broken right there.
Yeah, try right there.
Okay.
That works right there.
He's just ripping the bushing in the middle. That's all we did. We just break the bushing in the middle.
So basically, like you gonna cut it out or try pushing it off. Basically, that's what you did.
I didn't even do that on the last one.
Whoa, the other way.
Yeah, it's popping out. I'm watching it right here.